Let's go with Pete's line. I'm reloading to the full bear mode. Margie, are you?
No, I think this shows that the economy is strong, or at least strong enough to have a pretty good results for the whole year. And I think a lot of people were just waiting on the sidelines. This affirmation, I think, is going to open the floodgates for a lot of that money sitting on the sidelines, that it's okay to come into the market.
Now, do you think that much money is coming into the market, or is this, to me, I'm a little bit concerned everyone has already piled in, and this was a sigh of relief that everyone had already bet on this and was hoping for this?
Well, I think people actually were expecting a disappointment and a big market correction to go through the whole market. That didn't happen, so we saw a quick reversal. And I think that mentally people are still thinking we're locked into some kind of an economic cycle precipitated by the Fed. The market has not been very sensitive to what the Fed has done. The market's looking at the numbers, at revenues, and also at margins, which have still held up. And these sectors in the tech sector are very, very strong. That looks like that's going to continue. So I don't see any reason why we should get a meaningful correction. We may chop around, but I'm not looking for much of a correction.
And will this start translating into a broader market rally like we had in November after Nvidia earnings then? That was what seemed to precipitate the rally in the Russell 2000 and stocks as a whole. Can we expect that sort of thing right now? Or is this still going to be maybe a tech-led rally?
Well, I don't know if I'd say exclusively tech. I think it's going to be a narrow market to those companies that have above average growth. So that would be tech, because they've shown that. I think a number of industrial companies were very, very strong, and I think they're positioned to be on a secular increase. It's a sector that's rather undervalued. And also in the healthcare sector, parts of that look like they've hit bottom and are ready to do a little better. So broaden out, but only to companies that have good earnings growth.